Yeah, what's up? It's your boy Indigo Child Sin. It's been a while since I've been down here to my spot. Figured I'll come down here for a few minutes, cool off. Okay, got a little action over there. That's what's up. I was just down here fishing or whatever. Took a break for a minute. Man, went up there, got some sun. Man, pretty peaceful today. Everybody down here getting out on the water with their canoes and boats, fishing, enjoying the day. Wife, she up there exercising, getting it in. Hope everybody been safe, doing well. You know, keep moving forward, keep staying positive, banging on the system. You know, we don't fool with them, only because they don't fool with us. It'd be different if they start doing some things for us. Then maybe I'll start believing some of the things they say. But anyway, you know, just down here chopping it up, vibing in nature. I'm seeing all kind of action on the water now, though, that I done stopped fishing. That's how it always be. Yeah, it seems like we still stuck with this little COVID a little bit longer. Nobody knows what's going on. So it's best to just stay healthy, keep yourself together. Drink some of that good alkaline water. Stay away from that trash food, like I always say. Some walking, some of that good sun, fresh herbs. And let God take the wheel. I was gonna go take a little walk through the trail. As soon as I went to go in there walking around, I got a whole bunch of pollen on my pants and stuff, all on my shoes. Gang of it. I'm like, oh nah, not today. And I forgot my other shoes, my little walking shoes I wanted to bring. That's why I ain't really doing too much activity down here. It's good. Yeah, like I said, down here just vibing, chilling, enjoying a beautiful day. Yeah, been down here for about a good hour. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this one. I just want to holler at y'all for a little minute. See what's been good. You know, always hit that like, subscribe, share, thumbs up, you know, it's all good. I'm still out here, still working very hard. Just been having to take a little break on the videos for a minute. Just had to get some thoughts together and really meditate and see where everything is about to move forward to. Because I mean, it's been a lot going on in 2020, as everybody can see. But you know, all I see is 11/11. You already know. We straight power and energy over this way. Been losing too many good people this year. A lot of pain, a lot of struggles. Man, one thing's for sure. The show can't stay the same. We gotta move forward either way it go. Man, show can't keep things the way they been. Ain't no way in hell they can stay the way they been. Yeah, okay, I see a gang of little fish over there. See if you can catch them. Let me see. See if I can zoom in on them. There we go. It's like a school of them all. They kind of shifting now. Actually, they might look like they're coming over towards me. Let me pull it back so I can see them. There you go. But anyway, yeah. Just gotta stay healthy and strong and keep praying and sending that good energy out into the universe. Be strong. Nobody's perfect, you know. We gonna mess up, take falls, but it's all about how we stand up and regroup and move forward from it. And I wanted to catch a few planes flying in and out, but they seemed like they kind of slowed up a little bit. Then they was flying this flying this little parachute thing. Like two guys sitting down in the seat, and it looked like they got one of them big industrial fans on the back of that mug with the parachute be flying around here. Look pretty fun. I ain't even gonna lie. I wouldn't do it, I doubt it. Oh yeah, there go the fish again. I see him. I'm zooming in on him. Okay, yeah, there they go. Look like the big fish starting to pop up now. Pull that on back out. That's getting far in. But yeah, they're making me want to go get my little pole. I might have to start coming down here with my net too. Catch some feeders for my little red devils and dove eyes at the house. If you don't know, yeah, I got about like 8 tanks set up, all kind of different fish. Been keeping them for years. Got a bunch of babies right now, baby dove eyes and ACIs and red jewel cichlids that I'm about to get ready to start selling. So if you're interested, please hit me up. There go a bluegill right there. I think I might throw a little something back on my line and get out here. Yeah. Action like this. Yep. I'm just going to hook up some little quick, something with I can use a little stick, tie some of that line around it with a little hook on it. Make it happen. Oh, that breeze feel good. Wife up there But yeah, like I said, I'm just out here vibing, enjoying the day. Peace and love, family. I'll get with y'all soon.